Let's unbox the MSI Gaming Trio RTX 5090 and install it into my PC. By the way, all the testing will be done on my main channel in due time, so follow the link in the description below and subscribe to that channel if you want to see all the testing in various resolutions, including ultra-wide. The box is solid, so you don't have to worry about any potential damage during shipping. The box can handle a lot. And let's get inside, like so. Oh, play hard, stay silent. I like that. Silence is what I like most in my PC hardware, because I use speakers to game, and silence is much appreciated. Oh, actually, you know what? So let's start with the accessories. As always, we're getting an adapter, 4 8-pins to 1 16-pin. And this is a GPU support stand. Let's take a look. MSI branded, rubber at the top, rubber at the bottom. Is it magnetic? Let's see. Here, we've got some metal. Yes, indeed. It is magnetic, strong magnet. That's nice. And to operate it, we just twist that. It comes out, twist it back in to fix it in place. Okay. This appears to be plastic, which is not premium, but it looks fine. It's not bad. I'd prefer it to be aluminum. Now it's time to remove the GPU. It is quite heavy, and I want to be careful with it. Oh my god, it's really in there, isn't it? Yeah, this is pretty big. And there's nothing else really, no more accessories, just a quick start guide and some regulatory notices. There's one more packaging barrier to get through. It's this tape right here. And we are almost in. Let's go ahead and slide it out. Look at that. Oh, look at those colors. They're popping. Nice. Dual BIOS, silent and gaming. Always good to have. But before we take a look at the features, let's just remove all the protective film. That's always a pleasure. And there's more on this side. Look at that. There's a lot of protective film. Let me grab it from this side. There we go. It's not a seamless experience, but still enjoyable nonetheless. As long as it does its job, protecting the GPU from scratches, I'm fine with it. There we go. There's more protection on the logos. One over here. And 3 more on the fans. Nice. Let's take a look around the GPU. This is a fully plastic shroud, although it does have some brushed metal-like features over here, but that is plastic as well. As far as I know, only MSI Supreme models have some metal on the shroud. But this is looking pretty good. There is a logo on this side. Look at those colors changing. Nice. GeForce and MSI logo at the top. Another GeForce and MSI logo on the backplate. Oh, hold on a second. There is more to peel here. The cooler is massive. It is easily well over 3 slots thick. I think it's more like 3.5 slots. The GPU is quite tall as well. And just take a look at that heatsink. There's so many heat pipes in there. The cooling should be good. Look at that. Heat pipes, a lot of them. In terms of display connectivity, we get 3 DisplayPort 2.1b. Those are the latest and greatest. So uncompressed 4K 240 Hz and 1 HDMI 2.1b. Power is delivered via a single 16-pin power connector at the top. This card has a 575 watt TDP. Massive. By the way, the backplate is metal, which is nice. Should help with heat dissipation. And indeed, there are thermal pads installed on all the components that need them to make sure that the heat dissipation is maximized. And same for the other side of the PCB, where the cooler is, with the heatsink. There is a massive heat plate installed over the GPU as well as the memory chips. Nice. That's pretty good. In terms of size, let's see. It's 356. Yeah, 356 millimeters. It's pretty long. And the fans are 105 millimeters. These are some large fans right here. Awesome. Upon initial inspection, I don't see any GPU sag. So the GPU is holding in there quite well. We could just leave it like that. No support required. But I do have this GPU support included in my PC case, so I think I'll use it just in case, to be safe. The installation process is complete, and I think it looks pretty good inside of this PC. What do you think? Let me know. It's time to turn it on for the first time. Look at that. LED over here. More LEDs over there. Let's take a closer look. There's not a lot of LEDs on this card. I like this logo with the LED. There we go. The MSI Gaming Trio RTX 5090 is now running, and it works well as far as I can tell. No issues, no black screens. Everything is working fine. So I'll have to start testing it now. If you want to see real-world benchmarks, real-world gaming tests, then check out my main channel at the link in the description below. Let me know what do you think about this look and the MSI Gaming Trio RTX 5090. Reward my work with a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.